morning everyone. And at this place, I think we'll have mozzies for dinner. That's all we've been getting with the bait. Look at this, there are mozzies everywhere. Bring me some fish, please.
All I can say is it's a great day for a paddle. But yeah, so far there have been maybe 1 or 2 bites. But yeah, what can you do? Check it out, it's stunning out here. So you can't complain too much.
Go on, fly. Stay away. Yeah, finally I've started to get a few bites. I'm not using the smallest bait. I'm kind of putting like 2 half pilchards, but yeah, I don't know. Maybe if you want to like big fish, use big bait. Well, I'll give it a try with half pilchards for like half an hour more. We're still drifting along the creek. And this is a beautiful place, by the way. Look at this. Got Brent just down there. And yeah, as I was saying, so 30 more minutes using with half pilchard. If it doesn't work, I'll change the hooks. I'll put in smaller hooks and I'll go just with quarters of it. Nothing changes. The goal is still catching mangrove jack, flathead, and get myself a really nice dinner. That will be the goal. Yeah. Oh, come on, oh. Oh, I just... Yeah, it's hot. Oh, it's a jack! It's a jack! Oh! I caught a jack! I caught a mangrove jack! Brent, we got a jack! Oh my god, how am I gonna take this away? Oh, that one's recording. Yeah. Oh.
Nice size, man.
Oh.
Dude, that's a keeper.
Oh.
Don't do a Joe and let it get away straight away. That's a beautiful sized fish. Oh my god. And on the $2 hand reel. Incredible. What a beautiful fish.
Oh my god, I caught a jack. I'm so happy.
Incredible. What a beautiful fish.
I'm so happy.
Man, you said what you were going to do and you came and did it.
Oh, the problem is you swallowed the hook. Let's see.
Why don't you give us a good look at that bad boy.
Yeah, let me just... So I've downloaded an app called Fish ID. And on Fish ID, like it's... I got on my favorites. Obviously, our beautiful mangrove jack. Where are you, mate? Mangrove jack. 35 centimeters or greater than that. And let's measure this one. I believe we might be in luck. I hope it's over 35. It's just a beautiful fish. Oh my god. Oh, it's biting the net. Well, as long as it's just a net and not me. Mike, can I have to measure you? Come on, 36, and he swallowed the hook, so what we'll do, I'll just keep it. Yeah, I'll just keep it. I won't be able to remove the hook from him.
Are they good eating, these ones?
They're 5 out of 5, mate. They're one of the best eating fish we can get here. So yeah, this one's going home, cooking a barbecue tonight. Just gonna deal with it pretty quick, and I'll see you in the next fish. Yeah, I want... Voila! Woo! A flatty! Oh, it's not a flatty. Oh, it's a catfish. Yeah. Yeah, with the mullet. Good look at that. I got a catfish. Oi, mate. I'm gonna take you out of there. Just a second. So, when I started this morning, I said, March flies. I said, I'm gonna be catching mangrove jack or a flathead. And guess what? Mangrove jack. It's on the menu for tonight. Yay! I'm so excited. It's like, it's the third mangrove jack I've ever caught. Like they're pretty hard, they fight amazing, it's just so exciting. So the first one I caught it with a very good mate of mine, Mark, on his boat. His boat's name is Mangrove Jacks. So I was so excited and I gave him the fish. The second time I caught it when my parents came and visit, and it was 2 centimeters short, so it was a 33 centimeter mangrove jack. I put it back in the water. And now this last one, I said, nah, no chance. This one is a 36 centimeters and it's going home for a nice barbecue. I'm so excited. Oh wow. Just now here under the mangroves, trying to get a bit of shade because it's getting pretty hot, but getting smashed by mozzies, eh? It's not even funny. And Brent is out. Yeah, and I'm out to. Let's go out into the main river, right?
Yeah, I can't.
Hey, Brent. On Brent is on. Oh yeah, there's a snake there, right? There's a snake. It's in the snake. You got shoes. Walk there, mate. Yeah, I can see the snake with sunnies, eh? Is it pulling or it's just a snake?
Yeah, dude, there's a fish and it's gone under something.
Oh, right, like, so it's a big fish.
Okay, it's come loose.
Yeah. And Brent is on, everyone. Yeah, a cod. We got a little story cod. Yay!
Alright, something. First of the day, thank God.
It's happening.
Pop that cherry, ready to go.
Welcome back, Brent. Welcome back.
He's a beauty. Alrighty, let's get this fella off.
Yeah. Do you want me to hold it,
These
or
ones
you're alright?
can bite you, can't they?
Nah, they're pretty easy. Like, so grab them through the bottom, or open their mouth. Wait.
There we go.
Yeah. You see their teeth? Oh, it's cutting my thumb. There you go, mate.
Knew there was something out there grabbing it every time.
Here you go.
Very nice. Alright, we're on. 3 different species.
3 species, 3 fish, 3 species. Okay, Brent is on again. This man is on fire. This
2 in 2 minutes now, we're even.
Fire now.
Even Stevens, but
Oh wow.
neither of mine have been very good.
Oh, they're very good. It's amazing.
still.
It's a beautiful fish.
Ugh.
Oh,
Oh,
terrible
there he
balance.
goes. Catch and release, catch and release.
Terrible balance. That's
What can
it.
you say? What can I say?
And
But I'm
that's-
happy. I'm happy. The drought is over.
Oh yeah, 2 fish. 2 minutes, 2 fish.
2 minutes, 2 fish. I think we found our
A
spot.
cod, a bream. I like it. Well done, Brent.
Yeah, feels good. Feels good to be back. Oh man, mine's going too.
Oh, this might be a trevally, eh?
You just mentioned trevally.
Oh my god. Oh, come on, mate. You gotta be patient on this one. Going to the mangrove. Oh, come on. Out of the Brent, I don't know what it is, but I can tell you, it's a big fish.
It's fighting.
It is fighting really hard. I'm gonna just let him getting tired. It's that.
Did you snap? Oh no.
Oh. This is when you cry. Oh my god. She's going crazy. Prepare the fish. Okay, time to get our catch of the day ready for dinner. So I've already gone a bit ahead and I put on some rock salt. It's just a trick that my mom showed me once. Apparently if you put rock salt on all over the fish, the skin will just peel off pretty nice and easy. Inside of it I'll just chuck a little bit of garlic, as any good Portuguese would do, and some lemon as well. So now what I will do, I'll just leave lemon, is never too much. With foil, here we go. Fold it. That's it. Aha, and voila. Just gonna get the Weber ready. Potatoes are in the oven, and then I'll show you guys the end result. Thank you. So a quick look. She's hot. Yeah, I'd say a couple more minutes and it's done. It looks delicious. Wow. Thank you. Action. The moment of truth. Everyone. Potato. Let me introduce you, Mr. Jack. Oh, it looks so good. And as I can confirm, you got, look at the pilka. Oh, the skin coming off. Oh, oh shit, it's hot. Take 3. Okay, yep. I'm gonna put this in the plates and then I'll let you guys know how good it tastes. It's easier. Prepare. Okay. Can you tell it was good? Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Check a cost.